Step 1. Unpacking. Step 2. Unlock buckle. Release the locking buckle. Position the product with backrest to ground. Step 3. Install front wheels. Unfold outer front legs, vertical to ground. Install front wheels. Step 4. Install rear wheels. Rotate outer legs, 90 horizontal, while inner legs vertical. Install rear wheels. Step 5. Stand opposite the backrest. Hold handle tubes. Lift Z35 to upright. All 4 wheels on ground. Confirm you hear the click. Step 6. Push unlocking lever to the right. Meanwhile, pull both sides outward. Press seat down to fully unfold. Step 7. Unfold the seat cushion. Step 8. Unfold the handles. The installation is now complete.